14 slang words Gen Zers are using in 2024 and what they really mean. Hey there, fellow internet enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Gen Z slang words that are taking 2024 by storm. Do you feel like you're always a step behind when it comes to understanding the latest lingo? Well, worry no more because we've got you covered. Just like the generations before them, Gen Z uses an extensive list of slang words. Some of these terms have become buzz and popular among Gen Zers. Let's dive into 13 of these slang words and their meanings. 1. Bussin'. When something is exceptionally good, you can say it's bussin'. It's like saying, this pizza is bussin', to express how delicious it is. 2. Ick. This term is used to express disgust or when something is unpleasant. For example, if you taste something gross, you might say, ew, ick. 3. Mid. When something is average or mediocre, Gen Z might describe it as mid. So if a movie is just okay, they'd say, it's pretty mid. Let's kick things off with Flexagon. This term is all about showing off your accomplishments and success in a humble brag kind of way. It's like saying, look at me slaying life, but in a low-key manner. Next up, we have tea-jacking. No, it's got nothing to do with stealing your favorite beverage. It's actually about spilling the gossip or sharing some juicy information. So, spill the tea, my friends. Moving on to Yeet Voyage. This one is all about embarking on a wild and adventurous journey. Whether it's a physical trip or a metaphorical experience. So, buckle up and get ready to eat your way through life. Now, let's talk about mood loop. It's like being stuck in a repetitive cycle of emotions or actions, kind of like being trapped in a loop of memes or inside jokes. Who can relate to that endless mood loop cycle? A person with Riz is confident, charming, and generally successful in romantic endeavors.
Another way to say focus is lock in. You can lock in on an assignment, cleaning your apartment, or even a video game. Let him cook means don't stop him from doing his thing. While NC State ultimately lost to Purdue in the Final Four, DJ Burns Jr. was a standout in the 2024 March Madness tournament. His coaches clearly saw how impactful his performance was in their tournament run and decided to let him cook, upping his average minutes from 24.8 a game in the regular season to 28.2 in their 5 games of the tournament. Why call yourself delusional when you can say Delyaloo? Delyaloo simply means delusional, rap. A 24-year-old Gen Zer famously told the Today Show last year that what gave her confidence was delusion. She followed up on her comments in Gem magazine this year, saying, "It's so interesting because I feel like delusion is cute now. Delusion is becoming slay. It's very funny and silly. Sus is short for suspicious. And finally, we have chillaxify. This one is all about relaxing and unwinding in the most laid-back way possible. Picture yourself lounging on a hammock with a tropical drink in hand. That's the ultimate chillaxify mode." There you have it, folks. These are just a few of the slang words that are defining the Gen Z culture in 2024. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on all things trendy and cool. Until next time, keep slaying and vibing with the latest linguistic trends. Remember, slang evolves rapidly, and what's cool today might be uncool tomorrow. But for now, these words are part of Gen Z's lexicon. Raising hands fire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun content. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay hip, stay woke. And keep those slang words in your back pocket. CATCHE later, Internet fam.